to investment, to the movement of goods.
A multi-million shillings factory in Mlolongo, Machakos County is a subject of tussle between two companies. An unknown people invaded Madvel Carton Ltd and vandalized it in the ongoing land dispute pitting two companies. Part of the factory was demolished, exposing more than 700 workers to uncertainty, as Hamza Yusuf now reports.
These are workers of Madvel Carton Ltd within Mlolongo in Machakos County, placed under the careful watch of the police officers from a local police station just hours before demolition of the factory began. More than 10 workers caught between a legal dispute that turned ugly on Friday when hired goons invaded the company premises and went on ravage, vandalizing equipment and machines in the factory. The legal dispute between Madvel Carton Ltd and Diesel Care has begun dragging in the court since 2011, but the latest turn of events came as shock to the owner of the premises.
The property has been the subject of a dispute in the courts for several years, and presently there's a case in the High Court, in the ELC court, where there's an order, an injunctive order, allowing Joseph Odero and Madvel to be in possession. To our surprise, an auctioneer went and obtained an eviction order from a magistrate's court. The
company's lawyer says auctioneers arrived with order allegedly issued by a lower court in Machakos County, even though the case is still being listened to at the High Court.
There's an order of injunction which allowed our clients to be on the property. So when we see somebody else come and invade the property, because they went and fraudulently got an order from the magistrate's court that tries to override the order of the High Court. And instead of, if somebody wanted to evict our client, the person ought to have gone to the High Court, where there are present proceedings.
In the issue in aftermath, equipment and property of unknown value was stolen and vandalized. Owners say appeals from the police intervention were ignored, but Mlolongo OSPD Anderson Mreithi has denied the accusation.
Kulikuwa na order hiyo, sijui kama ulipata copy ya hiyo order. Mimi yangu ilikuwa ni ku-maintain law and order tu namna hiyo.
Oh, ni ku-maintain law and order.
Mine was to maintain law and order.
Oh, yesterday, eh?
Yeah.
Na saa hii vile hii fracas imetokea inaungua, umetuma watu wako?
Watu wako wameitisha fire brigade wanakuja.
Oh, fire brigade are on the way, eh?
Wameitisha fire brigade from the county government wanakuja.
Ah.
Yeah.
Our attempt to seek answers from the management of Diesel Care Ltd hit a dead end, even as 700 workers who depended on Madvel Carton Ltd to earn a living find themselves jobless. Hamza Yusuf, KTN News.
And moving on to other stories now, and cases of waterborne diseases